go. Okay, it's good.
Alright, we got one car behind us that's coming right now, so.
Yeah, it wants to climb. It's gonna be hard. It's out of trim.
Just tell me when.
I'm ready whenever.
Alright, 25?
25. Nice.
25.
Okay. And if you hold right here, I'll start coming in. Man, it's hard to hold. Roll. Whoa.
Whoa!
Can you slow down like 2 miles an hour?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there we go.
Nice. Oh, God. Yeah, I feel. Oh!
Can you slow down a little bit? That's
Yep.
full. Like maybe to 20.
Okay.
Oh, it's so squirrely. There we go. Maybe to like 15? Okay, well, here it comes. Ooh, it's getting twitchy. Oh, did I touch down?
Yeah, you almost touched ground.
Alright, I guess we could get up to the bridge and I'll land it. I'll just try to keep it in like closer to
Alright.
whatever speed this is.
You think you can go under the bridge now?
Oh yeah. Can you keep this speed?
I got excited.
Oh,
I got excited.
Nice job. No, you did good. Whoa. So I should have fixed that trim, but whatever this speed is perfect.
This is 20 right here.
Or maybe like 17. Oh my god, it's just like wakeboarding.
Totally. 2,300 RPM.
Dude, it's so
Oh,
like
we got a car coming up.
behind us.
Yep. Alright, to the right. It's just one.
Sweet.
Tell me when you're
We
ready.
gotta be on the bridge. I'm ready.
Right.
Shit, I better get ready, huh? Do you think you can keep it at like 15 when we go under?
15 right now.
That's 15? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start bringing it in. I have these poles and all the wires and everything. It's okay. Perfect. Whatever speed that is.
17.
I'm gonna try another roll before we hit the bridge.
Okay.
Right now. Oh, I'm losing power.
Oh, dude, the bridge, the bridge!
Let's try for it. As long as you can keep this, we'll push it. I'll land on the street if I have to. Oh, I think I'm losing it.
All right.
Dang it.
Oh, no! Oh, dude, good save.
Nice.